I know that last hyperlapse was just an outside view, so I figured I'd show you guys what we did on the inside. So now we got carpet. Yeah. And I got all my stuff coming up out of here, all my wiring ready to go. This is all the wiring, oops. This is all the wiring that sits under the console now, so I needed to tidy all this up, minimize it, probably shorten some of these connections because they're just connecting from here right to where it's going to be grounded at this bolt. Where is that bolt? Right there. So that's where these relays are going to ground. I've got a ground ring here. I got a ground ring here. I've got the ground for the dash cam here. And then all the rest of this goes for power for other things. So like this one here goes to, where's the red output? Right over here. This little red one. Ta-da! So on and so forth. So I just got to figure all that out and then go from there. So I'm gonna get this buttoned up and hopefully show you guys in a time lapse. I left a nice little sticker in here. I voted, and then we're gonna continue on our way. Yeah. So I gotta make sure this all fits. I gotta get these LEDs mounted up. I gotta get these run under here to come out here or something, so they can go up under the seats, or maybe have them come out here for the HVAC stuff. And I gotta do some stuff to get this carpet to fit a little bit better. But other than that, we're all set. I have the shifter bushings in, the base bushings, so this is now super solid. I've got the bar back on. I've got this mostly on. I gotta finish up some of these bolts here and there, and then I gotta go back through and tighten everything. I realized the hyperlapse battery died. Well, my phone's battery died while it was in the hyperlapse, so you guys missed me bolting this down and kind of organizing the last few wires. However, it's all finally in. I've got my controllers down here for dimming, so that's how I'll dim them right now. I want to do a different setup for this eventually, but I don't know what yet. So I've got my capacitive switch here that turns those on and off. I've got the bolt here that holds the relays behind there, so can't see anything there. Got my charging deal down there. Got my extra charging deal down here. This wire needs to get the negative signal. So this is the one that will trigger the bypass for the door LEDs. Right now I'm just going to leave it unconnected. I've got my battery saver. So this allows you to choose what voltage the dash cam will turn off on. I'm going to leave it on full here because I like my battery being alive, and yeah. And then I've got, run to the glove box here, I've got my subwoofer control. I've got the power for the door control LEDs and everything that is going to get tucked up here. And then I've got my LEDs. I need to get these all figured out where they're going to go. But it's in. So, yeah. I'm going to keep going, but I'm hungry now, so I'm going to go get food. Look at this big boy. He's back. Walk in here after eating. He's just sitting there waiting for me. So we gonna catch you and put you outside.
Gotcha. Now we gotta put him outside.
I am now at the stage where I'm second guessing everything I've done. So I have a power wire. This one. It comes from a door switch. And it comes over here to a yellow plug that then goes out to the door. I'm pretty sure that's just supposed to be the power from the... I think that's the ground illumination? Oh, no! Oh my god, I'm an idiot. Whew! Okay. So, that is the ground illumination for the doors, not the footwell illumination. I was thinking it was the footwell illumination. It is not. It is the illumination for the exterior lighting. Okay, I'm good. Okay. So, this is all in. This is getting organized. I'm getting everything like latched up. I'm getting cables tied in place. I'm getting zip ties put in place so nothing bounces around. Still got to figure out where this goes. I think it goes in the tubey system that goes up here. It's something to do with the outside intake versus inside intake. So I got to figure out where to plug that in. But other than that, we're good. So I'm going to keep going.
Beginning to look a lot like a Pontiac. I can feel the vibe.
So we got a ceiling now. That's nice. And yeah, steering wheel's on, ceiling liners in. I decided not to do anything extra to it. I just need to get this thing on the road. And upholstery, I don't think I could stitch a straight line the first time, and it would have taken weeks. So much for that.